The LARQ bottle cleans itself automatically every 2 hours. Hi, I'm Aly Teich, health and fitness expert, and this is the LARQ bottle in granite white. The LARQ bottle not only cleans itself, but purifies the water inside up to 99.99%. So it's super simple to use. I just fill it up with any water, and when I press this, it emits UVC light, which eradicates all the harmful bacteria, not only from the water, but from the water bottle itself. Now, if I'm really not sure if it's even clean water, the LARQ bottle has something called an adventure mode, and in 3 minutes, it can purify water from anywhere. I never have to worry about the water bottle getting bacteria in it. The LARQ bottle is going to make it easier for you to make the healthier and more sustainable choice anytime, anywhere.